Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new products, reducing the need for raw materials and decreasing energy usage. It's a key part of the circular economy, helping to minimize our environmental footprint and promote sustainability. But how does it actually work? Let's take a closer look at the recycling process. The journey begins with sorting. At home, we separate our recyclable, plastic, glass, paper, and metals into different bins. This is the first crucial step. Once collected, these materials are transported to a material recovery facility or MRF. Here, the recyclables are further sorted and cleaned. Advanced technologies such as magnets, air classifiers, and optical sorters help in this process. After sorting, the materials are processed into raw forms. For instance, plastics are shredded into pellets, glass is crushed into cullets, and paper is pulped. These materials are then sold to manufacturers to create new products. Recycled materials can become anything from new bottles and cans to clothing and construction materials. The cycle continues, saving energy, reducing emission, and conserving resources. While recycling has many benefits, it faces several challenges today. One major issue is contamination. When non-recyclable items end up in recycling bins, they can spoil entire batches of recyclables, making the process less efficient and more costly. Another challenge is the fluctuating market for recycled materials. The demand and price for these materials can vary, affecting the economics of recycling programs. International policies also play a significant role. For example, China's 2018 ban on importing certain types of waste has forced many countries to rethink and restructure their recycling system.
Humans play a very crucial role in recycling. Firstly, by participation. Individuals need to sort and dispose of recyclable material properly. This to ensure that the items like paper, plastic, glass, and metal are placed in a designated recycling bin instead of general waste. Education. People need to educate themselves and others about what can be recycled, the importance of recycling, and how to do a proper recycling practice to bring a good result to our environment. Other than that, humans can play a role in innovation field. Human ingenuity drives the development of new recycling technology and method. This can help to improve the efficiency and expanding the range of material that can be recycled. Next, consumer choice. By choosing products made from recycled material, for example, food container or straw made from paper, it can help create demand for recycled goods and help encourage recycling practice in our daily life. Last but not least, waste reduction. Humans can reduce waste by reusing the item, choosing product with minimal packaging, and repairing instead of discarding the broken item. Recycling has given a lot of positive impact to our life. Firstly, environmental protection. Recycling can reduce the need for raw material extraction, which can help conserve natural resources like timber, water, and mineral. This also minimizes habitat destruction and deforestation. Next, energy saving. Recycling often uses less energy compared to producing new product from raw material. For example, recycling aluminium saves up to 95% of the energy required to make the same amount of aluminium from raw material. Economic benefit. The recycling industry creates jobs in collection, processing, and selling recycled material. It also supports market for recycled goods. Waste reduction. Recycling reduces the amount of waste sent to landfill and incinerator, helping to manage waste more effectively and extend the lifespan of existing waste management facilities. Resource conservation. Recycling helps preserve finite resources, ensuring their availability for future generations. Sustainability. Recycling promotes a circular economy where materials are continually reused. This can reduce the need for new material and promoting sustainable consumption and production pattern. Negative impact of recycling. Firstly, environmental costs. The recycling process itself can consume significant amount of energy and water. This can contributing to pollution and greenhouse gas emission, particularly if the recycling facilities are not efficient. Next, contamination. Improper sorting of recyclable can lead to contamination. This making entire batches of recyclable become unusable and resulting in more waste being sent to the landfill. Resource use. The collection, transportation, and processing of recyclable require resources, including fuel and electricity. This can offset some of the environmental benefit of recycling. Next, health risk. Workers in recycling facility can be exposed to hazardous material and condition, and it's leading to the health risk, for example, like asthma, heart attack, and others. Economic costs. The recycling industry can be costly to maintain with expense related to infrastructure, labor, and technology. This cost can sometimes outweigh the economic benefit of selling recycled material, especially when market price for raw materials are low.